my presentation about endangered animals. Endangered means very likely to be extinct. Extinct means no more of that kind of animal is alive anymore. Extinctions are very bad for the world because the world will have no purpose if there is no life on it. And extinction is like a virus because when more animals are extinct, others are more likely to be extinct because animals rely on each other. I researched 8 very endangered animals and made a chart on their occurrence on the websites. The Amur leopard is one of the rarest animals in the world. They are very speedy and quick creatures that are able to run up to 35 miles per hour, faster than Usain Bolt. Since 1996, the Amur leopard is critically endangered, with less than 70 of its kind existing today. It is hunted and killed only for its fur. Scientists have shown that gorillas live in groups that show emotions like empathy. We shouldn't be surprised though. Gorillas are one of our closest living relatives, and they share at least 95% of their DNA with humans. Cross river gorillas and mountain gorillas are both critically endangered and endangered species. That's 2 out of 5 gorilla subspecies. There are currently only 200 to 300 cross river gorillas left in the wild and 900 mountain gorillas. Tigers are the largest members of the cat family. Their power and strength is on a high level. The tiger has been long hunted for its beautiful patterned fur. Of the 9 tiger subspecies, 3 are already extinct and many are endangered, but it's the South China tiger and the Sumatran tiger that currently face the hugest threat to their lives. Hawksbill turtles are able to feast on items that are poisonous to other animals. 2 types of turtles are amongst the most endangered species in the world, the hawksbill turtle and the leatherback turtle. In the past 100 years, the hawksbill turtle has lost 90% of its population, 80% of which has been lost in the past 10 years. The blue whale is the largest animal on our planet. It weighs as much as 33 elephants, are long as about 3 school buses, has a heart the size of a Volkswagen Beetle, and it must eat around 4 tons of krill per day. They have been found in every ocean. These gigantic creatures were almost whaled into extinction. Scientists have found that orangutans have a sense of empathy, which forms an essential part of laughter. The Sumatran orangutan is critically endangered, with 80% of the population lost in the past 75 years, mainly as a result of mass deforestation. Black rhinos are actually gray in color. 3 of the 5 species in the family of rhinoceroses are among the most endangered species in the world. The black rhino, the Javan rhino, and the Sumatran rhino. It has been estimated that less than 100 exist in the wild today. This peaceful creature with a black and white coat is adored by the world and considered a national treasure in China. Pandas live mainly in bamboo forests high in the high in the mountains of western China. As human population in China continues to grow, pandas' habitats gets taken over by development, pushing them into smaller and less livable areas. Based on my research, as you can see on the chart, the most endangered animals are the gorilla and rhinoceros, with 10 occurrences on different websites. The second is the Amur leopard. The third are the tiger and sea turtle. The third least is the orangutan, and the second least is the giant panda. The least endangered on the list is the blue whale. All of these animals are endangered because of habitat destruction and deforestation, animal hunting, predators, pollution, and competition for their prey by the humans. Use reusable items. For example, use reusable bags when you're shopping. Don't buy plastic products. For example, get reusable water bottles instead of plastic ones. Grow plants in your garden or garage. Reduce water and non-reusable items usage. Try to inform other people and ask them to help. I hope you enjoyed this informative video, and let's start helping these animals.